Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Amberlyn, and today I'm going to be showing you 5 beginner-friendly waterfalls here in the Columbia River Gorge. Number 1, Dry Creek Falls. Getting to this trail is a little confusing, so use an app like AllTrails to make sure you're at the right trailhead. This is an easy 2.5 mile hike with a gradual elevation gain of 1,058 feet. Although this waterfall is only 74 feet tall, you will still be in awe standing next to it. Number 2, Multnomah Falls. This waterfall is an Oregon classic and one the whole family can enjoy. It's definitely a must-see if you're in the area. It is 620 feet tall, making it the tallest waterfall in Oregon and second tallest in the United States. If you would like to see another perspective of this waterfall, it's an easy 1 mile hike with an elevation gain of 823 feet. Number 3, Quina Falls. This 242 foot tall waterfall is another one you don't have to hike far to see. However, if you want more of a challenge, this 1.5 mile trail with an elevation gain of 915 feet has many amazing views along the way, including a bonus waterfall called Fairy Falls. Number 4, Bridal Falls. This is a short but sweet 1/2 mile hike with an elevation gain of 78 feet to the 118 foot tall waterfall. If you're looking for more of a challenge and a less known view of these falls, head to the upper section of Bridal. Getting here is tricky and you must follow careful directions. It is a very steep and slippery hike, therefore it is not recommended for animals or children. Number 5, Lateral Falls. This hike is a 2 mile loop with an elevation gain of 633 feet. With stunning views all around, this hike brings you up close and personal to the powerful 249 foot tall waterfall. Personally, this is one of my favorites here in Oregon because it reminds me of Iceland. So if you haven't been to Iceland but you want to know what it's like, be sure to check this waterfall out. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, and come water with me in the next one.